Did you know that winter weather is responsible for over 70% of all cold season vehicle breakdowns? Yet year after year, the same drivers keep falling into the same preventable traps. Frozen doors, flat batteries, iced-up windshields, slippery tires, and engines that wear out faster than they should. The real problem? Almost no one shares the advanced winter car tricks that professional mechanics rely on every day. Today, we're diving into the real deal. Insider winter car hacks that actually deliver results. These aren't the usual basic advice you've heard 100 times. These are clever, battle-tested techniques that can save you serious cash, avoid nasty surprises, and keep your vehicle performing at its best no matter how harsh the cold gets. Stick around until the end. The final hack could save your engine from thousands of dollars in damage. Let's jump right in. Hack number 11. Angle your wheels away from the curb when parking overnight. Most people park with the wheels perfectly straight and never think twice about it. But in freezing weather, this simple oversight puts unnecessary strain on your power steering system. As temperatures plummet, the power steering fluid thickens and the rubber seals stiffen, making the steering rack work harder than it should during cold starts. By turning the front wheels slightly away from the curb, or toward it depending on your parking direction, you relieve built-up pressure inside the rack and reduce stress on tie rods, pumps, and other components. This small adjustment also helps prevent flat spots on tires from sitting on icy or snow-packed surfaces. It's a zero-cost habit that gives you noticeably lighter steering every winter morning and extends the life of your steering system without any extra effort. Hack number 10. Dial down the heater before you shut off the engine. Here's one almost no driver knows, but mechanics swear by it. If you park with the heater cranked up high, warm, humid air stays trapped inside the HVAC system. Overnight, that moisture condenses and freezes in the ducts, vents, and even on the windshield's interior surface, leading to thick fog, weak airflow, or that annoying musty smell. Instead, turn the fan speed and temperature down to low or off a minute or two before you turn off the car. This lets the system cool gradually, minimizing condensation and ice buildup. The result? Cleaner vents, quicker defogging the next day, less strain on the blower motor, and a fresher cabin overall. It's an easy tweak that makes a huge difference in comfort and prevents hidden HVAC issues. Hack number 9. Focus on oil circulation, not just engine temperature. You don't need to let your engine idle for 10 minutes anymore. Modern engines are designed to warm up faster. But cold oil is thick and sluggish, and it takes time to reach and protect critical parts like bearings, camshafts, and cylinder walls. Jumping in and revving hard right away causes metal-to-metal contact when lubrication is still low, quietly accelerating wear over time. The smart move? Let the engine idle for 30-60 seconds after starting so the oil can fully circulate and coat everything evenly. Then, drive gently for the first few minutes. This simple routine dramatically cuts cold start engine damage, protects timing chains and pistons, and helps your engine last much longer through the winter months. Hack number 8. Start the engine with all accessories turned off. Cold weather already cuts battery performance by up to 50%, yet most drivers make it worse by turning on headlights, defrosters, heated seats, or the radio the moment they get in. Every extra electrical draw pulls precious power away from the starter when the battery is at its weakest. Instead, start the car with everything switched off. This gives the battery full focus on cranking the engine, resulting in quicker starts, less wear on the starter motor, and reduced strain on the alternator. Once the engine is running smoothly, you can gradually turn on your accessories. It's a tiny change that significantly boosts battery longevity and prevents those frustrating no-start mornings. Hack number 7. Flip down your sun visors overnight to fight frost. This is one of the most underrated winter tricks out there, and it works surprisingly well. When cold air hits your windshield, frost builds up quickly because of the temperature difference. Lowering both sun visors creates a small insulating layer that traps a bit of warmth against the glass and slows heat loss. The result is noticeably less frost buildup, especially on bitterly cold nights. Less ice means less scraping, fewer micro scratches on the windshield, which cause glare at night, and better visibility. It's completely free, takes 2 seconds, and protects both your windshield and your eyes from winter driving strain. Hack number 6. Pause before setting the parking brake. Most people apply the parking brake right after parking, but in winter that's a common mistake. Hot brake components cool rapidly in freezing air, causing moisture to condense inside cables and housings. Overnight, that water freezes and locks the brakes or creates a loud snap when you try to drive away. The fix is simple. Wait 30-60 seconds after stopping before pulling the parking brake. This gives the heat time to dissipate naturally, reducing moisture buildup and preventing frozen cables. A short pause like this can save you from stuck brakes, damaged lines, and expensive repairs down the road. Hack number 4. Switch to recirculation mode for faster defogging. A lot of drivers instinctively switch to fresh air to clear fog, but in winter that's the wrong move. Cold outside air is loaded with moisture, which immediately condenses on your cold windshield and windows. Recirculation mode pulls in warmer, drier air from inside the cabin, removing moisture much faster and clearing the glass in seconds instead of minutes. It also eases the load on your heater and blower motor, helping them last longer. Once the fog is gone, switch back to fresh air if you want. This quick switch improves safety by giving you clear visibility sooner and makes winter mornings far more comfortable. Hack number 3. Switch to lower viscosity oil for winter. Using the same oil all year round is a hidden risk in cold weather. Thick oil flows slowly through narrow engine passages, leaving bearings, camshafts, and timing components dry for those crucial first seconds after startup. Exactly when most engine wear happens. Switching to a thinner oil, such as 0W20 or 5W20, if your manufacturer approves it, allows faster circulation and better protection right from the start. Modern engines are built for these lighter oils in cold conditions, so you'll get smoother starts, better fuel economy, and significantly less cold start damage. It's one of the easiest ways to give your engine serious winter protection. Hack number 2. Always keep your fuel tank at least half full. An almost empty tank in winter invites trouble. Empty space in the tank allows moisture to condense inside, which can freeze in fuel lines or injectors and cause hard starts or complete breakdowns. Keeping the tank at least half full reduces airspace, limits condensation, and keeps your fuel pump submerged and cooled properly. This simple habit improves cold weather reliability, protects the fuel system, and prevents expensive repairs. It's an effortless way to stay ahead of winter fuel problems. Hack number 1. Disable auto start-stop during cold weather. Auto start-stop is great for fuel savings in warm weather, but in winter, it can quietly shorten the life of key components. Every time the system shuts off and restarts the engine, the battery, starter, and engine oil face extra stress, right when cold temperatures already make everything harder. Frequent cold restarts also mean the engine never fully warms up, leading to increased wear on pistons, bearings, timing chains, and other parts. Plus, cabin heat drops every time the engine stops. Turning off auto start-stop reduces starter strain, protects the battery, keeps heat consistent, and lets the engine run more smoothly overall. It's a quick toggle that eliminates multiple hidden winter issues. Winter itself doesn't destroy cars, it's the little things we overlook that do. Start using even a handful of these insider hacks, and you'll see smoother starts, stronger heat, fewer breakdowns, and a vehicle that handles the cold like a champ. If these tips helped you out, give this a like, share it with a friend who dreads winter driving, and subscribe for more practical car secrets. Stay safe out there!